In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page to a WordPress menu. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this guide will take you through the process step by step with the aim to improve your website's navigation effortlessly. First, you need to head over to wordpress.com and log in. If you're using a Google account for WordPress, there's a handy option to streamline the process by clicking on Continue with Google. This will bring up a list of your Google accounts, at which point you just need to select the one associated with your WordPress site. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your WordPress dashboard. Here, take a look on the right side panel and find the Quick Links section. Click on Edit Site. This action will launch the site editor interface where you can make changes to your website's design and structure. With the site editor open, you should see a menu on the left hand side. Look for the navigation section and click on it. This takes you to the part of your editor where you can manage your menu items. As you move further, you might notice 3 dots above the navigation on the left. Click on those dots, which are the gateway to more options, and among them you'll find Edit. Selecting Edit allows you to interact with the navigation menu directly. In editing mode, you'll notice your existing menu items listed. To add a new page, focus your attention on the right panel where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to access options to add new elements to your menu. You'll want to choose Page Link, which allows you to add a direct link to any of the pages you have on your site. After clicking Page Link, you'll be prompted to link your page. This involves selecting the page you want to include in your navigation from a list that appears. It's intuitive, just search or scroll until you find the desired page, click on it to select it, and it will automatically get added to your menu. Lastly, to ensure all your hard work doesn't go to waste, make sure you save your changes. Look towards the top right corner of your editing screen, you'll find a Save button there. Click on Save, and your newly added page will appear in your WordPress menu live for all visitors to see. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adding a page to your WordPress menu. Follow these steps and you'll keep your website navigation user-friendly and organized. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and see you next time.